Hi there, students. Capacious, an adjective. I would guess capaciously the adverb and capaciousness the noun. Okay, if we call something capacious, it means it has a very large capacity. You can fit a lot of things inside it. Yeah, it's big, it's spacious, it's roomy. So he lives in a capacious flat in the centre of town. Yeah, he put lots of food into his capacious mouth, capable of containing large quantities of things. Let's see, capacious. This is linked to capacity, the amount that you can put in something. The capacity of the of this bottle is 1 litre. Yeah, or a capacity, an ability. But what I like is capacious has gone further. If something is capacious, it has a very big capacity. It's very roomy inside. Yeah. He carried a capacious rucksack on his back. Yeah. It's big. It's got a lot of space inside. Yeah, it's capable of containing a huge amount. So his capacious memory remembers everything that he is told. The space available is capacious. It's enormous. Yeah, it's capaciously vast. Okay, so we've used it as an adverb there. Okay, his capacious knowledge about various things. So here I'm saying he's got a very wide knowledge about it. It holds many, many things. It's very spacious. Okay, so a capacious classroom, or maybe the classroom was anything but capacious. Yeah, it was quite small. I like jackets that have capacious pockets because it means you can carry lots of things. The capacious requirements to study this course need to be reduced. Okay, so there are a huge number of requirements. It's saying that something's very, very, very big. This house is much more capacious than my last one. Okay, so capacious. It's something where you can get a lot of different things to fit. Okay, so extensive, ample, roomy, voluminous, yeah, spacious. Yeah, he crammed the food into his capacious mouth. Yeah, something of full measure, not narrowed or restricted. So his capacious desire for knowledge, yeah, his wide desire to know about absolutely everything. Okay, so let's see. Capacity, 5 in formality, use anywhere. Capacious, this is certainly more formal. It sounds a bit more literary. So maybe capacious 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it informally. Informally, roomy, ample, something like that. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, better in a semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes from the Latin word capax, meaning from capio, I hold, I am large enough for. Okay, it's got this idea of to contain. So yeah, there is a capacious range of different videos within my channel. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Capacious, capaciously, capaciousness.